Everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a moving character in Scratch 3. So let's get right into it. First, I'm going to delete sprite 1 and paint a new sprite. You can design your sprite however you want. I think I might make my character as a circle. There we have it. I've made my character. Now let's get into the coding. For coding, when green 5 clicked, go in control section and get the forever and the if then one. Go back to sensing, and if key up arrow clicked, you can do WASD if you want. For now, I'm doing up arrow. Move 7 steps. 7. Now, you're going to grab that and make 4 of them. For the second one, you're going to do down arrow instead of 7 steps, -7. For this one, you're going to do right arrow. Get rid of the new 7 steps and return 5 degrees to the right. This one is going to be left arrow. Make sure to do 5 degrees to the left. Now, you're going to put all of that in the forever section. There we go. Let's try it out. Now, if you see if we turn, the character moves as well. That's why. In costumes, you're going to zoom in, go into it, and put the character in the very middle of the place. There we go. Now, let's try that. Perfect. That's exactly what we needed. Now, maybe we can make a spawn. So, set direction to 0. And set your coordinates to -200 and -130. There we go. Now, if you go to the blue motion one, go to X, Y. If you see, this already updates for you, and it goes to the ones you already are at. There we go. Now, point in direction and 0. There we go. Now, if you move around, always come back in this spot here. You can change this spawn point wherever you want, but I'm doing it for here for now. Okay, next you might want to add some obstacles. I think I'm just doing little rectangles. Same thing for the character. You can design yours however you want. For now, I'm just doing this. There we go. Now go back to your coding section. Make sure to name your something. Okay, when green 5 clicked. So wait, we don't need that. We need the if then one. Go to sensing. If touching sprite 2, but you can also name it obstacles. Touching sprite 2, then move -7 steps. Now there's a reason for this. You return it, put it in the up arrow one under the move 7 steps. So if you move up arrow, it'll move 7 steps. But if you touch the obstacles, it'll move -7. So that means if you go to the obstacle, -7 and 7 makes 0. So you'll move 0 steps when you touch the obstacles. There we go. Now once you touch the obstacles, now look, we have a mistake. When you press down arrow, you go right through it. So we're going to grab that one we just coded, make another one of it. This time we're going to do 7. Put that one in the down arrow under -7 steps. For this, now if you do -7 steps, if it touches the obstacle, then you move 7 steps. Now let's try that out. Perfect. Now our reverse one works. You can make different stuff with it, but the main point of this video is to show you how to make a moving obstacle. You can also make something different, like get rid of the if touching obstacles, which we just coded, and you can make it, if you touch it, then you go back to your spawn. So, if touching obstacles, then grab that part right there Go to X, go there, make another one. Now, turn the first one where it was, that one there. Now put it under the forever one, right there. There we go. Let's drive it out. Now, if you touch the obstacles, you'll teleport back. You can do whatever way you want. I think I like this one a bit more. There we go. That's how you make a moving character in Scratch. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next video.